Alex, what are you doing?
I'm having baby sister.
Are you burping her?
Rub with this hand.
Did she do any burps yet?
She didn't burp yet.
You can just rub her back.
Rub her back. There you go.
Did she fit on me?
Oh, there was a little burp. Did you
That
do
was a
burp?
good one.
Yeah.
Did she fit on me yet?
No, she hasn't spit on you.
How much do you love your baby sister?
This much. I love you.
Aw. Give her a kiss on her head.